Samuel 16, David was just anointed king by Samuel. And here, let me just hold your place there. Let me just give you a little something on the side. So Samuel comes to Jesse's house and asks him to line up his sons so he can anoint the kings. He goes through all 6 of them, and they aren't in. So he has to ask, because he knows that God sent him there, is there another? Well, the other was out in the sheep pasture tending to his father's sheep. Now, how insulting is that when your own father doesn't invite you to the party? How insulting is that your father has determined that it can't possibly be you, you stay with the sheep. And then David came back and it was him. So David stayed focused on the solution, and that's what we have to do. When I say solution, I mean God with a capital S, to eliminate the problem at hand. And in order to stay focused, he had to turn away from his brother. So I have to tell you that there are times when the vision that God gives you is so big that no one will understand it. And you won't be able to share it. Proverb tells us to guard our heart with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life. And the reason why he says that is everything isn't for everybody. I know you're excited and you want to tell them, God gave me this dream. But let me put you in check with Joseph. Joseph was excited about his dream too, and he went and told his brothers, and look what happened to him. He ended up being thrown in the ditch, sold in slavery, accused of rape, put in jail. Maybe if he kept his mouth shut, some of that wouldn't have happened. However, he had to be positioned in what God was doing later. We understand there's a bigger plan, but learn from his lesson. Keep your mouth shut.